Hello, beautiful people. This is Danish, and I'm back with another update on MLGS Secret. I've been out of the game for quite some time, and I have a good reason for that, but I'm not going to share it on this video. However, I just wanted to show you that I have signed up with another account with MLGS Secret, and it's only 2 weeks old. So I'm going to just take you to the affiliate section and show you what happened within 14 days. I made my first sale, and as you can see, I earned $5 commission. This person didn't opt for master email swipe, so that's why we don't have $10 in the commission tab. But what I want to show you is that my previous account, actually the original account, received commission as well because of this particular sale. See right over here? I received $4 from my downline, and I am my downline, meaning that I signed up through my original account's affiliate link and created a new account. So whenever my second account makes a sale, I get 2 commissions. One in the actual account that made the sale, that got the sale right here. And because this account is linked to my first account, I got sale commission here as well, like I have just shown you moments ago. See, right over there. So just wanted to show you this, that MLGS Secret is still a hidden gem. Not many people know about this, so if you like to learn about MLGS Secret, I'm going to leave a link about my journey. It's a collection of various videos which are about what kind of experience I've had with MLGS Secret. So you can go through those videos, and if you're willing to give it a shot for 1 month risk-free trial, you can look in the description of this video and any other video of mine and sign up from there. With that, I'm going to sign off, and all of you have a lovely day, night, evening, whenever you're watching this. Take care. Bye-bye.